Guys, I'm back with another Who Can Bend Our Backwards challenge. In exercise 7, you have to solve a problem, okay, in which you have cleared the culture from a folder, okay, and how will you do this with the help of OS module? Now let me take you to the computer screen and tell you the exact problem statement, okay. Now let's get started. So this is I will be open my reptile, okay, and now let me see you what is your homework. Write a program to clear the culture inside a folder on your computer, okay. Then you should use OS module only to rename all the PNG images from 1.1 1.png all the way till n.png, okay, n.png, where is n is the number of PNG files in that folder. Do the same for other file formats. For example, like here I will be give you one example. sfd sf.png, it is my picture name, and there is 1.1.png and vfsf.png, and there is 2.png. This is this point png, and this is 3.png, design.png, 4.png, name.png, and here is 5.png. Okay, this is your homework, and you use OS module to rename all the PNG images from 1 PNG all the way till into the end, like npng, okay. This is your homework, okay. This is your exercise, so I will be telling you your exercise. So now I hope you can enjoy this class, like this video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. So I will be meet you in next class, and please access my Python playlist also, okay. Please access my Python playlist also. So I'll meet you next class and next very amazing class of Python series. And this is the okay. So for today, goodbye.